Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, we'll explore the business hours block to create a beautiful business hours calendar in Gutenberg. Let's go. Let's click on the page's empty space, then type and insert the business hours block there. What you are seeing is the default view of the block. From the options, you can switch between the two presets given here. Right below, you will find the days listed. You can delete items by clicking on the delete icon there, and then click the plus icon to add one. To add, you can set the day name, and then toggle the working day button. Turned off means an off day. Turn it on, and set the start and end times. Also, you can rearrange the days by dragging the items up and down. Now these are the basic stuff. Now for the appearance of the business hours, you can move into the Style tab and start customizing the content. First is the item border. Go ahead and select your border style and width. You can customize the width separately for each direction. Then you can play with the color of the border. With border radius, you may change the corner curves of the border. After that, you can play with the margin, padding, and gap to adjust the spacing between the content. And once you are done with all the spacing stuff, you can customize the background color to add more visuals to your business hours. For the record, you can choose a gradient instead of a single color for better visual output. After that comes the Days section. In there, you can first customize the font style through the Typography menu. Typography combines several font customizations, such as font family, size, weight, style, decoration, etc., and also includes line height. So take your time to make the font stand out. After that, you can change the font color for the business hours. Do notice that we're inside the subsection for working days. So when you change the background color, it will affect only the work days. Next, unlink the padding field and customize padding separately to get a nice spacing around the day's text there. Not to forget the border radius. Then switch to the close subsection and go through another round of customization. This time, it's for the business close days. Following these all, going into the Times section, you can follow the same pattern of customization for the times as well. Of course, in addition to the time separator color, the rest options are similar. In the same way, go ahead and customize the close times as well. For this, white text over a red background will look perfect. Now that the content looks awesome, you can go back to the list and customize your workdays yourself. Even if you change the preset style, all the customizations will be preserved and reflected. With this preset, you can also change the even and odd background colors easily. The rest of the options are as it was, for both presets. With all these customizations in 5 minutes, you can create all kinds of creative business hours in Gutenberg very easily. You can take a look at more ready patterns to get design inspirations. All of these can be made using the business hours block. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.